Here's the 2018 Nissan Kicks. This vehicle is a one owner, clean Carfax with no accidents. You can see the tires are in great condition. Make our way, I'll show you the back of it. Trips with family and friends, no problem. You have plenty of room in the Nissan Kicks. If you need even additional storage, these seats do fold down, and it also comes with the factory floor mats. I'll show you the back row. It's very clean. You can see this vehicle has been well cared for. I'm going to hop on in and show you some of the neat interior features. And now we're inside the 2018 Nissan Kicks. You can see over here, this is where you can set the automatic headlights. You can make phone calls just by the push of a button right here. You do have a push button start down here. If you put your foot on the brake and push a button, it'll start right up. We got a nice vivid LCD color touchscreen right here. When I go into reverse, the backup camera pops up immediately with these nice color-coded grid lines and the red line to let you know if you've gone too far. It's a great feature to have. Also, if your phone's low on battery, you do have an available USB port down below to charge it back up. And that is the 2018 Nissan Kicks. Thanks so much, and let's take it for a spin. At David Taylor Ellisville, Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, the fastest growing Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram store in St. Louis, Missouri. Every vehicle has been sanitized for your safety. Come see us at 15502 Manchester Road in Ellisville, Missouri. Our store hours are Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9 to 8, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 6. And you can reach us at 636 200 3299.